Monsanto, close to Lisbon in Portugal. Behind me is the Pista da Radiomodelismo do Monsanto. It's the local on-road track here in Lisbon. It's owned by the government, and the club that runs this track is called CRB. It's the Benfica RC Club, translated into English, because the part of Lisbon where the track is Benfica. And this track is very old. It's been around for probably 40 years. The asphalt that previously was on this track was around 30 years old, and last month it got completely resurfaced, brand new asphalt, everything got flattened, and of course we got painted islands in the middle of the track with many opportunities to do different track layouts. So the track facility is here. It's basically in the middle of a forest, a big urban park area. So there's a lot of sports going on in this area, and this is why the track is able to exist here. We have a bar slash restaurant slash nightclub here in the back, so plenty of opportunities to eat and drink something, especially on the weekends when there's races here. Today is just a practice day, but still fairly good attendance of drivers. It's a little windy today, not too hot. I mean, September is still a warm month in Portugal, but decent weather, sunny. I've been practicing a bit today with my touring car. I'm gonna show you a bit more of the facilities here. We have a fully stocked RC shop here, courtesy of Hobby 351. They got all sorts of cars, not only racing cars, also hobby level vehicles, all the spare parts you need. Basically anything you need to race can be found in here, and lots of x-ray parts on the wall as well, which is cool. So everything you need to do your racing, club racing, and hobby level driving. Tracks over here, pits are busy, some racers practicing. Got my pit set up over here, and we're gonna walk around here, walk up to the rostrum. So like I said, the track's been around for a while, but this facelift has really brought it to life with huge improvement to the truck quality. And this is the view from the rostrum. As you can see, plenty of opportunities to change the track layout for different size and speed of cars. And it's a great view from up here. They're actually getting ready to have a race this weekend, a club race with electric touring cars. And the goal and the dream of the club is, of course, to host another international event here. The last time they did so was in 2008 for the IFMAR 110 scale World Championships in Nitro. So many people remember these facilities from back then. And I think now the club track has everything it needs in terms of quality and facilities to be able to do so. So I really wish to see you all here for an EFRA or IFMAR event in the future. If not, feel free to stop by and run some laps, and hit me up if you need anything. I live nearby, just 15 minutes from here, so happy to answer any questions. I'm currently a board member of the club. Try to help out as much as I can with different tasks for the club, give advice and so on, and I'm really enjoying it. So I'm proud to be a part of this club, and I'm of course happy to show you this great facility, and hopefully we can share it with all of you at some point. thanks for watching this video, and see you soon.
Seventeen, 39. 14, 01. 18, 67. 14, 22. 17, 98. 14, 39. 17, 41. 14, 20. 14, 28. 18, 02. 14, 33. 14, 34. 14, 24. 14, 37. 100. 1 laps. 14, 38. 14, 37. 14, 47. 14, 60.